Hello everyone, it's me again, and this time I am not going to debate Bible scripture. This time I am not going to expose the inconsistency with the World Mission Society Church of God. Actually, this is something very personal. The World Mission Society Church of God, the Reseda location, is suing Diane Sims and I over a protest that we did separately at the LA branch. They are saying that we violated a minute order and they are asking for sanctions. Now, I can tell you that this is a scare tactic. I know it is, because if you were there at the protest, you would understand that they're not taking us to court because they feel like this is a law and the law needs to be upheld and we want justice. This is not true. Because I know at the time that I went protesting, there were other people who have committed the same offenses and even worse offenses. So being that those other persons, which shall remain nameless, are not being sued as well, I can tell that this has nothing to do with upholding the law, upholding the court order, because they would have brought forth everyone who had violated the court order. But they chose Diane and I. Why Diane? Because she's got a YouTube video out explaining her experience in the Church of God. And also she was the one who organized the protest to begin with. She is a strong fighter. She's in it to the death. And that's why they're targeting her. And why are they targeting me? They've seen my YouTube videos. So now they have found two of the heads of this whole global protest, and they're trying to cut our heads off. But we cannot let that happen. We cannot let the Church of God continue to bully us. They are trying to scare us from exercising our First Amendment rights, which is to protest. And by continuously calling us to court, they are bullying us, trying to scare us from exercising that right. It is harassment. It is disgusting. It is ugly. And God does not like ugly. So, everyone, we need your help. We know a lawyer who would like to represent us. But as every lawyer has their fees, so does this one. This lawyer is asking for a $5,000 retainer to represent us in the upcoming hearing, the quasi-criminal hearing, that is later this month, later June. Now, between Diane and I, we cannot come up with $5,000 from our own pockets in this short amount of time. So I am asking you, if you would like to participate, if you would like to donate even $1, and I'm serious about that $1. If 80 people if 80 of you will donate $1, that's $80. Or if 80 of you will donate $5, let's see, that's 80 times 5. No, I'm just kidding. I know how to do it. Let's see, 8 times 5 is 4. 0 plus another 0, that's $400. You know, you guys can really help us. You guys can help us win this thing. I'm trying to show the World Mission Society Church of God that you cannot bully us. You cannot bully us and make us feel like we cannot continue to say what we feel, even though what we feel and what we're saying is protected under our First Amendment rights, freedom of speech. I'm asking everyone, if you could give your donations through PayPal, that would be great. Even if you cannot participate monetarily, if you have some sort of advice, if you know someone who might be able to help me as far as preparing for the case or anything, I would greatly appreciate any form of help. It doesn't just have to be monetary help. Any way you can help is helpful. Trust me. A lot of people feel like, well, all I can do is this, but if everyone just did that little bit, it adds up so much. It adds up so much. Thank you in advance for your contribution, and it will not go unnoticed. Thank you. Thank you very much.